Welcome to this review of the BastoTect B-Wide 3D Acoustic Sound Absorber. First question first, what is a sound absorber? A sound absorber is a small panel. I have an example here with me of this device, which, as you will see, it's able to absorb the sound. Now, if I place this device in front of my mic, my voice is muffled, attenuated, because this panel is absorbing the sound of my voice. Now, of course, you don't want to place this in front of a mic. The idea is that this panel is actually very useful to kill the reverberations in your room. That's because when you want to hear music, you want to hear the music from your loudspeakers and not the reverberation from your room. Now, what about this particular product? As you can see, it's kind of a lightweight panel. It's sized around 30 cm of diameter and its thickness varies between 30 and 70 mm. The thicker it is, the more it absorbs sounds, especially for low frequencies. Now, the kit I bought comes with 16 with these absorber panels that you will place on your wall to remove the echo where it's present. A test that you can do is just to play music loud from your speaker and move this absorber element around your house until you hear it reverberating with your hands. That means in that place, this absorber is killing a significant amount of sound. Now repeat this exercise with your whole room and you will kill all the reverberation. To place these little panels on the wall, simply use an adhesive like the one which is provided in the box and just stick them on the wall. They are so lightweight that even the adhesive is enough to keep them in place. Now, thinking about absorbing panels, when I think traditionally, I think about ugly looking panels like the egg crates that really don't fit in your living room, but those are really nice shaped and sharp and nice looking, so you can place them really everywhere. Of course, absorbing panels are kind of like a last resort. The best way to get good acoustics is actually to fill your room with furniture, with books, with shelves, with wood, with materials that naturally absorb sound. But sometimes you might have just too much glass around you. And this is the case for this particular room where we have two walls which are entirely made of glass. So we are only left with two walls we can work with to place our panels on. And in these situations, those panels are night and day and can really improve a lot the quality of your sound. And now, allow me a little digression. Now, when it comes to audio hi-fi, everybody's thinking about better loudspeaker, everybody's thinking about a better player, a better DAC, a better filter in between, better cables, better whatever. But the point is, what really matters is the combination of your sources and the acoustic of your room and the placement, very important, of your speakers. So for me, when I think audio hi-fi, when I think an end-to-end solution, when I think about you sitting in the sofa and listening to very high quality audio, I think about all the surrounding being perfectly matched to get the best sound ever. And this doesn't stop when you buy nice speakers. To get really very, very pleasing sound, you have to extend yourself beyond nice speakers. You have to buy nice cables, you have to buy a nice DAC, you have to buy some nice stands for your speakers, and also nice panels to eliminate any reverberation unwanted from your room. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you like, leave me a comment, like the video, and let's see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.